Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video, I will show you the list of projects in different domain. And this is our 16th video. Let's continue with the point number 246, mental healthcare chatbot and suggest doctors. Let's click on it. So it will open the blog AI mental health therapist chatbot using Python. So it create a safe and confidential environment for client to address issues such as anxiety, depression, trauma, or relationship problem. Their goal is to promote the mental well-being, personal growth, and the empower client to lead fulfilling lives. Okay, these are the benefits like accessibility, anonymity, non-judgmental environment, immediate response, cost-effective, emotional outlet, information and outsources, supplement to human therapy. Okay, this will be the output video. Let's click on the play button. It will play the video. Now, in that project, user can ask the questions and chatbot will reply like, "Hello, welcome to a healthcare chatbot." User can ask any of the question. They can use for the graphical user interface, and user can ask the question, and they can play the music or pause the music, search for doctor, call for help, and the help option. These are the doctor list. Book an appointment. Let's go back. Now this will be the hardware and software requirement. And contact us for more queries and check out related projects. Like if you have any doubt related to any of the project, then you can contact us. I already provided the WhatsApp number. If you're searching enterprise project ideas, then you can also visit our website and you can check out those lists. Like if you click on the open CV projects, click here, it will open the list of projects. Like there are total 107 projects. Okay, let's go back. Now the point number 247, microplastic detections. Let's click on it. Okay, the microplastic detection using image processing. This project will detect the microplastic object from image and give with the accuracy output. Model is trained on large dataset of images that contain microplastic classes, and user have to upload image to machine learning model and it will identify the microplastic things from that particular image. It similarly work like object detection. Python programming language is used to develop this project, and website framework is used to create the graphical user interface. Now this will be the home page, and it is web-based project. Let's click on play button. User can upload any of the input image from dataset and just click on the upload button. That will detect the microplastic objects from that particular image. Like we have trained the model on large dataset of images. These are the software and hardware requirement. Contact us for more queries and check out related projects. Let's go back. Now the point number 248, mirror simulation and AI chatbot. Let's click on it. So it is a Jarvis voice assistant system. In this project, user have to give input voice command and model will recognize that input and give output. So it works like a desktop assistant chatbot and it works with voice input and give output. Okay, user can ask the question and it will reply like what's the weather, to-do list, and the news headlines. These are the hardware and software requirement and contact us for more queries. And if you want to play this video, just click on the play button. It will play the video. Let's click on back button. Now the point number 249, missing child identification. The missing child identification is a desktop-based software developed using Python programming language and taken to use for the graphical user interface. In this project, there is a two option. User can add child and search child. In add child option, user enter children details like name, age, mobile number, email address, and picture, and those details will be stored in the database. Search option, user can browse the photo of child and go for search option. If user search child, then it will send alert on email. This will be the user interface where user can browse any input image and they can search the child, go back button, and the exit button. These are the software and hardware requirement. Contact us for more queries and check out related projects. Let's go back. Now the point number 250, movie recommendation system. Let's click on it. Now let's explore the project features. IMDb rating, content-based filtering, collaborative filtering, about project, and about us. This will be the output video of project. Let's click on the play button. The IMDb rating, content-based filtering, collaborative filtering, about project, and the contact us. User have to select the genre and then click on the get recommendation. So it will recommend the movie year with genre. They can select the crime type of movies. Then it will recommend the crime type of movies. These are the hardware and software recommend. Contact us for more queries and check out related projects in different domains. Let's go back. Now the point number 252, movie ticket booking system. So in the movie ticket booking system, I will show you a project where user can find out a movie in any city or and book it. This project contains multiple options and it can perform following tasks like add hall in software portal, view all hall in software portal, booking status of hall, book a ticket, generate ticket for booking, reset application, and quit option. This will be the YouTube video, and these are the hardware and software recommend. Contact us for more queries and check out later projects. Now let's go back. Now the point number 253, music genre classification. So the music genre classification is a web-based project developed using machine learning where different audio is categorized in certain categories. Now user have to select any file. Let's upload any file and just click on the process button. Then it will show the genre of song. Let's select the another song and then just click on the process button. It will show the genre of song is country. These are the software and hardware requirement. They contact us for more queries and check out related projects in different domains. Like if you click on the deep learning projects, click here. It will show the list of projects here. So there is a total 152 projects is there. We also develop on-demand projects. Now the point number 254, nail disease detection. Let's click on it. So the nail disease detection using machine learning. This project is a web-based project developed using Django framework. And in this system, user can search through doctor specialization or patient symptoms or including doctor name. Doctor can find out through areas wise and book their appointment to doctor. It shows doctor whole profile, and if user want to book an appointment, then they have to first sign up with details and log in with same details. Then patient can slot the appointment. System will generate the invoice after booking the slot. In the nail disease predict the model. It is trained on large dataset of images, and if user upload the image of nail, then model will predict the nail disease from that particular image. So this is the YouTube video of that particular project. User can find and book the appointment of doctor. So first they have to register with the patient detail. It will generate the invoice as well. So we have booked the appointment. Now we will detect the nail disease. Let's upload any input image to that model and then click on upload image and detect nail disease. Like that it will show. And these are the software and hardware requirement. Contact us for more queries and check out related projects. Let's go back. Now the point number 255, news classifier system. The fake news detection using machine learning. This project developed using Python programming language and Django framework is used for developing the graphical user interface. The machine learning model is trained on large dataset that contain real and fake news. User have to write news in text area and click on the predict button. So if user entered the wrong news, then it shows that enter news is not correct. Or if enter news is not correct, then model shows fake news. So this will be the web-based project. Let's click on the play button. User have to enter the news in that particular text area and then click on the get result. So it will show the fake result or correct result. Okay, and it will classify like what type of news is there, like education or entertainment like that. And these are the software and hardware requirement. Contact us for more queries and check out related projects. Let's go back. Now the point number 256, news sentiment analysis. Let's click on it. So in this video, we'll show you the news sentiment analysis project using Python. Is interface developed using tkinter library. It will analyze the latest news sentiment analysis. The sentiment analysis is desktop-based application designed and developed using Python programming language. And aim of the tool is to fetch latest news from UAE and analysis their sentiments, whether it is negative, positive, or neutral. So it uses two different API to fetch the news from multiple websites and then uses NLTK for analysis. It will fetch the top positive news, top negative, top neutral, plot graph, hot topics, and the hot news agencies. About it and methodology. Okay, so news generation with neural network transform the traditional news creation process by leveraging advanced language model. This application utilizes the neural network to generate news article or summarizes based on provided topic or keywords. The system natural language processing capabilities ensure coherent and contextually relevant content creation. This innovative approach has implications for automated content generation, news summarization, and personalized news feed, enhancing the efficiency and diversity of dissemination. And these are the software and hardware requirements. Contact us for more queries and check out later projects. Let's go back. Now the point number 257, NLP based chatbot. So let's click on it. Building a basic chatbot with Python and NLP. So there will be three features like language translator, text summarization, and Dino game. So in this module, user can enter text to translate and they have to select the converted language like English, Hindi, and translate into multiple languages. In the text summarization, in this summarizer, user have to enter any text and it to convert into summarized text. Dino game, if internet is not available, then user can play game of dinosaur. Without internet, this game developed using Pygame library. So this will be the YouTube video. Let's click on the play button. User can also play the Dino game if the internet is not available, and there will be a chatbot, so they can change the font and there will color theme and the calendar options. So there will be a translator like enter text and it will translate into different languages. There will be multiple features like if they enter the text, then it will also summarize the text whatever they have entered. And these are the software and hardware requirement. Contact us for more queries and check out related projects. Let's go back. Now the point number 258, nutrition recommendation Android app. Let's click on it. All over the world, people are more concerned with health and way of life in today's modern world. However, exercising and junk food is not sufficient for balance and healthy diet. So the good diet can help you achieve and maintain healthy weight and lower chance of chronic diseases. Therefore, I got idea to build diet recommendation system using machine learning and AI. This will be the YouTube video project. Let's click on the play button. So it is an Android app. They have to create the account and they have to enter the weight, height, and other details like allergies, diseases. Then it will suggest a diet according to that. Okay, these are the software and hardware requirement and the hardware requirement. Contact us for more queries and check out related projects. Let's go back to point number 259, object detection and Jarvis voice assistant chatbot. So let's click on it. In this project, we have integrated two machine learning projects named Jarvis AI voice assistant and the object detection using YOLO V7. So firstly, in Jarvis AI, user have to provide input through voice command and Jarvis follow the instruction of user and give output in text and voice format. User can change the theme of interface. Like in object detection project, user have to upload any input image or video to a model and then it will detect and recognize the object using YOLO V7 algorithm. So this will be the YouTube video. Let's click on the play button. So this will be the Jarvis voice assistant chatbot where user can give the voice command and it will convert it in text and give the feedback. We can change the color as well. Okay, now it will open the object detection. User can upload the image and video and it will process and give the output. So these are the software hardware requirement and they contact us for more queries and check out related projects. Let's go back. Point number 260, object detection and recognition system. So the object detection with YOLO in TensorFlow and neural network revolutionizing real-time object identification in images or video stream. This application uses the neural network to implement the YOLO, ensuring rapid and accurate detection of multiple objects with single glance. The system efficiency in handling the diverse objects categories and scenarios make it valuable tool for applications such as security of surveillance, autonomous vehicle, and augmented reality. So if user upload an input video to that model, then it will identify the person, suitcase, TV. Like that, it will identify the objects with their accuracy. Aeroplane. And these are the hardware and software requirement. Contact us for more queries and check out related projects. Let's go back. Now the point number 261, object recognition with voice output. In this post, we will show you a project like object detection and recognition with voice output. User have to upload input video and machine learning model will process that video and it will detect and recognize that particular object. After detection of object, it will provide the voice feedback of object. Like let's play the video.
Backpack.
So it will detect the object and give the voice feedback. And these are the software hardware requirement. Contact us for more queries and check out related projects. Let's go back. Now the point number 262, object size and area calculation. The real-time object detection and size measurement using OpenCV Python. In this project, user have to give input from phone camera and it will detect the object and try to measure object size using OpenCV library. Object detection and tracking using OpenCV Python. It will detect the object and it will track that particular object and measure sizes in inches. It will calculate the object size in length, breadth and area. This will be the project working. Like it will open the laptop front camera, so it will measure the size
and
and at the
16.9
end it
square
will
inches.
measure the size like 4.4 inches. They can upload any object.
Let's stop the camera.
1.1 square inches. These are the software and hardware requirement. Contact us for more queries and check out related projects. Let's go back. Now the point number 263, ocean safety prediction. Let's click on it. So detecting natural disaster with Keras and deep learning. This video is about ocean safety prediction using machine learning. This project will predict the severity of any particular location in sea so that machine learning model will predict that location is safe or not. For both, it will give the output with Google Map and provide the location of particular place. User have to enter the wave data, weather data and location data. From those input model, it will predict the output. Okay, user have to enter the inputs to model and machine learning model will predict the output like wave data, weather data and the location data. This will be the YouTube video of project. Let's go back. Now the point number 264, oil spill detection. In this post, we will show you a project named oil spill detection. In this project, user have to upload input image from dataset. This project model is trained on machine learning algorithm and it predicting the oil spill images using deep learning and view the prediction and display the image itself.
Okay,
So let's end this
so
video
this is
here.
the complete
We'll
project.
again continue with the next session. If you are in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. And if you want to download that particular list, then I already gave the link in description. And if you're searching at a project ideas in the computer science domain, then you can contact us. I will provide the contact link in description. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Thank you.